Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing my new love. This is the Azaria La Mer Luxe. Cannot remember the name of the color, but I will add it here. It is so stunning. I just love this bag so much. It's super comfortable, and I used it for traveling as my personal like tech bag. So I'll just go through what I had packed. I am missing a little sippy cup that I had here for my daughter, and I might be missing some other things. I'll let you know along the way. So let's just get right to it. For starters, this bag is beyond beautiful. I am super impressed with it. It is such great quality, super comfortable because the backpack straps are padded and have this kind of mesh, so they are so nice. I love this bag so much. As I said, I had a sippy cup right in here for my daughter. It was empty, and then I just filled it up with water and added it to my other bag. What I did with this one is I had it in the upper head compartment so that nothing would spill on it and my laptop would be safe from my kids. But yeah, that's what I had in this pocket. I believe this one was empty. And then I also didn't have anything in here. And in this one, I did have some band-aids, but I took them out because my kids needed them. In this back pocket, I love the stitching on it. It's so pretty. This bag is really beautiful. In this back pocket, what I did is I had my iPad, and I also put my boarding tickets in here and my luggage claim little tickets also. Okay, so for inside of this bag, I'm sorry if it looks a little bit weird at my parents' house, so I don't have my big tripod. But this is kind of what it looked like on the inside. I have my laptop in this back pocket, and this is the 13-inch MacBook. I also had my kids' birth certificates in that pocket so I could keep them safe. And then I love this material. It's really nice. And then I had a Mina pouch in there as well, and this was mostly carrying just a bunch of lip products, a mirror, a nail file, and an extra set of headphones. So that was all in this magnetic pocket, which is super strong. I love their magnets. And in this back pocket, what I had is a travel-on pouch that I always carry with me. It has some documents in there that I need, and a pad. And on this key leash, what I had is this, it looks like AirPods, but it's actually silicone straw, and it also has a little brush to clean it. And what I did is I tucked it into the side pocket. In that pocket, I also have an emergency little toy for my son, and I also had my keys. On this side pocket, I didn't have anything. If you are familiar with this bag, you know that there are two pockets on the front. In this pocket, I had my kids' charging cables for their tablets. They have the Amazon Fire ones. And on the other side, I had, oh, it's not in there, a little tabletop tripod that I'm using right now, but it fits in there perfectly. Okay, so in the main compartment, I had some spare goldfish, just in case my kids ate through all of their snacks, I would have extra. And I had the Mina Mama pouch. I absolutely love this. What I'm missing from here is my phone that I tossed in here at one point. And in here, I had my camera and the little microphone, but I'm using that to film right now, but it did fit perfectly. And this is awesome. It has little card slot holders. It has an extra pocket over here with leather trim. And in here, I had my AirPods, but again, those are downstairs. And I also had the little adapter just in case my kids were going to use my phone on the plane. I have more lip products. I have a little Buxom like lip balm and a lipstick, a little flashlight, a little, I think this is a dimple duo, just in case my daughter was in need of an emergency toy, and some mints. And I also have all of my cards in here. I also put my phone in here and my camera, as I just mentioned. And what I did is I took this out and had it next to me in case I needed my phone, or I don't know if I was gonna buy something on the plane or anything. I just liked having this on me while this was stowed away safely. And the last item in the bag, let me see, it's kind of dark in here, I don't know if you can see it, is this amazing little hunter pouch from Dagny Dover. I am going to say that I was not interested in this brand. I had seen lots of videos and just wasn't impressed with the material. on camera, but oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I have this and I have the Landon carryall, which was my diaper bag of choice on the plane, and I love it. This is in the color Eclipse. It's beautiful. I love that you can just clip this down or have it open for more space. It has a little D-ring. It brings an extra pouch. And in here I had a bunch of little cables, or not little. I have my laptop charger, my battery charger for my camera, my hard drive. In this pocket I have a power bank. This is a Mophie one. And in this little pouch that actually velcros on, I love this. I love it so much. I have extra adapters, extra batteries, and just little random cables for my computer. I also had my Apple Watch charger in here and my phone charger, and everything fit perfectly. I absolutely love this little bag. It's amazing. I ordered the large one because this one is too awesome, and I want to have the large one for this exact purpose. But yeah, the color is beautiful. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a shimmery plum color. It's beautiful. Love, 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 love it. And that is basically what I had in my Azaria Luxe Lemur. It's beautiful. I love, 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 love this bag. I think it's showing up pretty true to color, and it's super comfortable. It's a pricey bag, but it is full grain leather and it's beautiful. And before ordering it, I already knew that their bags are super functional and comfy, and this is even more comfortable because the backpack straps are amazing. I also love that they did this little detail with the little buckles down here. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. I love this bag so much. I have been using it nonstop since I got it, and I could not leave it at home, so I decided to use it as my personal bag, and I am glad that I did because it was awesome. So there will be a link to this bag and a link to this one. I also have a little discount code for this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was useful. And if you aren't a subscriber and enjoy this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. We'll be right around here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.